stuck here for a while, but this right here is supposed to be the largest McDonald's in the United States. We're getting ready to pull in there. I'm going to hit pause and sit my camera down. Just wanted you to see it from the outside first. Okay, and here it is from the front view. And this McDonald's a little hard to get to, so we had to turn around a little bit. It's at the corner of International and West Sand Lake Road.
Still can't enter.
But I'm sure it's going to be worth it. Just hang in there.
Looks like regular food. No.
Okay, we're turning around here, making a loop, getting ready to go to the drive-thru.
Oh, it's a 24-hour McDonald's.
I have heard that this McDonald's has pizza. So we're going to see if it has pizza. If it doesn't, there's a Cece's Pizza near here, and I haven't had Cece's Pizza in ages. I actually like Cece's Pizza Buffet. Probably one of the few weird people that love Cece's Pizza Buffet, but I do. Alright, let's go up here and let's see what they have. Okay, so we're going to the drive-thru, and I don't know if they have a special menu that's inside and not at the window, because thus far it looks like a regular McDonald's. Let's see. So, yeah, here's a menu. Hey, do you guys have a different menu inside than you do from the out? Okay, so you come inside for the different menu.
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
No problem.
Okay, so we are going to go park, and we're actually going to head inside this McDonald's because she said they do have a different menu inside from outside. Okay, so this is headed inside. No wonder everyone's pretty much going inside. It's a huge parking lot here. So this McDonald's actually has desserts in here, as you can see. I've never seen this before in a McDonald's. Cheesecake, it looks like a chocolate cake. Actually has an aquarium in here. And this is inside of a McDonald's. Isn't this neat? Oh, there's the drink fountains. So let's go and see what they have on the menu. So it looks like you order on these kiosks right here. And then apparently you wait for them to call and you pay. I don't know how you pay. But anyways, this right here is what's going on. Let's look further. So over here is the pizza and the pasta menu inside McDonald's. And then there's their regular menu. But if you look at the McCafes, it actually has more drinks on there than most McDonald's. Now I'll come down here and show you the kitchen. Very busy kitchen. In fact, there's the fries. And then over here is their Christmas tree. And then here is how they make the pizzas back here. The guy was asking me how to help him with his receipt, and I had no idea. It's my first time here too. And here's what their pizzas look like. They have the elf on the shelf. guy right here. He's still trying to get help with his receipt. All right, let's go over to here and order on one of the menus. Okay, so here is the menu. So the cake right there is called the chocolate corruption cake. And they have the pizza, pasta. Ah, they're out of stock on the pizza. Do the coffees. Okay, all right, hold on there. So for breakfast here, they have omelets. Yeah, they have a Belgian waffle.
Cookie coat. These are the sweets. We have waffle cones, hot fudge sundae, caramel sundae, cookies, cake, cheesecake, more cake, danishes, apple pies, muffins, cookies, apple, bacon, the traditional dipping sauces.
Oh, wait, whoa. They have picante.
Salsa.
They also have grape jam.
That's ridiculous. Drink. Look at Coke product.
See them in the cafe. Because that looked very interesting. Okay, so here's the coffees. Scroll slower.
They have sugar-free, hazelnut, caramel. Oh, they have hot chocolate, caramel hot chocolate, peppermint. That's what I like. Happy Meals now. That's a traditional Happy Meal. That's expensive though. Okay. Fries, nuggets, sandwiches.
Anything different?
That's popular.
Oh, wait, you might be able to order the pizza right here.
Well, let's try that.
Try it.
Oh, here we go. Maybe.
Okay, right there. We're going to order a pizza.
What ingredients? Pepperoni for yours?
Yeah. Slivered onions.
It's $1.50 more. Oh, onions are free.
What else can you put on there?
Okay.
Okay, so this is what we got to go. This is the chocolate cake right here. And the pizza. That's a cheese pizza. And then we'll show the other pizza. And these are the cookies right there. Ah, that looks perfection. And then the cookies that we got are in here. Ah. Can you open them? Oh, those look good. Okay, so this is the largest McDonald's in the United States, and they definitely have a different menu in here. They have a fish tank. They have different floors. We're not going to go upstairs. Just wanted to show you around. Alright, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. We do a lot of fun, exciting things. God bless. Merry Christmas.